Hello, scholars. How y'all doing out there? What's popping? Is it legit? You know you in another episode of Off Period with Professor Blindie. So let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. This is a follow-up video from my previous off period when I talked about returning to college and all of that great stuff. So now I want to break down my process that I went through with going back to college and making sure that I was set up to be successful. So the first thing I did was apply on Apply Texas, because I am in Texas and that's how our application process goes. So I applied on Apply Texas, and for the most part, the application was doable by myself. Like, I was able to navigate it on my own. However, when it came time to attach the previous colleges I had attended, it was like a little malfunction because I guess the page was loading and JAWS wasn't communicating. So it just seemed like the page was stalled, froze, or whatever. So I did get some assistance with that, was able to submit my application. And then I went on to fill out my FAFSA application after I received my acceptance letter from the college that I applied to. So once I received my acceptance letter and filled out my FAFSA, again, the FAFSA application was pretty okay to fill out, except there were some parts that I didn't need sighted help. And I do not pretend to be some blind superwoman who cannot ask for help and knows how to do everything on her own. I do not know how to do all of this on my own. So I always, ask for help when necessary. If I'll try to figure it out, but other than that, I'm gonna ask for help. So after I've completed all the online paperwork and did that process, I scheduled an appointment, went up to the college, and met with an advisor. I told the advisor about all of my big goals and dreams and plans of returning to school, but also how I was scared to jump right back in with a full schedule of like 12 credit hours because I hadn't been in school so long. I wanted to ease back into this. So we devised a plan, looked up some of the classes that will be available for the semester that I will be attending, and we just set it up so okay, I believe you'll be able to handle this workload. We even looked up the professors on Rate My Professor to ensure that I was going to have the best experience. I wasn't going to be getting the professor that asked too much of me too soon. So we did that. Great. Pass on. I went down to the accessibility office at my college to make sure that I had a seamless college experience. And it was great that I went down there because I thought that just because, I was blind, it's like it'll be notated and then they automatically know that, hey, she will need help. No, it's not like that. You have to go and advocate for yourself. So I went down there. I was like, hey, I'm registering for classes for this semester, and I just wanted to know, how does this accessibility thing work? And so they came oh, you need to fill out the application to apply for accessibility. I did not know you had to apply for their services, but you do. And then from there, they'll work with you to see what accommodations you may need to make sure that you are, again, having a seamless college experience. So I feel like I skipped the part. So, but that was all before I registered for classes. I don't know if I said I registered for classes in that beginning part, but I hadn't registered. We had just looked at the classes that would be available and would suit my academic needs. So I be saying that a lot. I'm so sorry. And I say that a lot too. I'm working on it though, going to Toastmasters so I can say it. So yeah, anyways, back to the topic. After registration opened, I went back onto the campus, met with my advisor again so we could register for my classes. And I believe I said this in the beginning, but yeah, she helped me look up, rate my professor, see what courses was available, what times would be best, and all of that great stuff. Then after I registered for my classes, I got the receipt for my classes, took the receipt to the financial aid office, turned in my certificate of blindness, which is my blind tuition waiver. And they said that, I had to pick a program of study because now with financial aid, you have to have the courses you take have to align with your program of study. You can't just be taking a whole bunch of random courses for no apparent reason. So yeah, that was one of the big things. And so I did that, turned in my paperwork, got my tuition waived, and we were on selling, like we were smooth selling. I said in my previous video that, they asked what accommodations I needed, and me and my coordinator worked it out. And so that was a part of this process as well. But at the end of this, you guys will see my first day of school vlog. No, there is not a lot of visual context. It's mostly videos of me standing or walking to and from my classes and before and after. None of the recording will be of me actually in class, because I don't know what professor would allow me to record in class unless it was like something like that, especially not in biology. So yeah, but I'm ready to take this journey. I'm ready to have you on this journey with me. And yeah, this was Off Period with Professor Blindie. We do have some more exciting content coming that is not college related, because this channel will not be dedicated to my college journey. Honestly, it'll just be dedicated to Professor Blindie, my life before, during, and after the classroom, and also, different business events and things that we have going on. So yes, this is Off Period with Professor Blindie. Make sure you drop down in them comments and sign into the classroom. Subscribe. We are 30 subscribers away from my January goal. And yes, thank you all so much for meeting us. Like this video as well. Let's get that algorithm moving. And I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of school vlog. Toodles! Okay, you guys, welcome to my first day of school vlog. It's your girl, Professor Blindie. Make sure y'all drop down in the comments and say, hey, Professor Blindie, I'm signing into the classroom. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, so we got a angry camper here. It is January 16th. I am supposed to be starting school today in person. However, because of the weather, we will not be starting school today in person. So they did decide to do a couple of things virtual, and I will be doing that. However, I will be doing that on my phone because I haven't figured out the website to do it online. So yes, and big boy here has another day to spend with his mommy. Mwah! So you guys, I'll continue to take you guys on my trip today. Well, my journey today, and keep you informed on what all I had to do. So, yeah. Switch off. Hey, y'all. So, it's hours later, and I just want to give you guys an update that today has been very overwhelming for me. Like, I expected it, but not this much. So, I done cried. I had to take a shower to decompress, and it was really getting to me because I know that the things that they're asking of me, I would have been able to do very quickly with my eyesight. However, without it, it's really hard to kind of navigate a system that I've never used before. And the only problem that I'm really seeing and like struggling with is the fact that my professors waited until the day of class. Like like I said earlier, they canceled class for in-person classes. So they switched their stuff to online, but they waited until the day of class to do it. And then I have 7 assignments due already. Like, it's crazy. But I'm up for the challenge. I'm ready to get it done. So my baby taking a nap. I'm about to sit down, try to accomplish at least 1 or 2 things so I can give myself a pat on the back and then settle from there or go from there. But yeah, I was just checking in with you guys. Hey, y'all. Okay, Papa has woken up. I made oatmeal and turkey sausage links for breakfast, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready to eat that. I am mainly dressed for the day. I typically don't like my bra straps to show when I have tank tops on. My mama taught me that at a young age, but I'm going to be wearing a jacket, and this is the only tank top I could find. So, bling blow. Papa, you want to say good morning to the people?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, time to get him together. So, yep, I'll be back. Face on the bottom left edge. 2 faces near left edge. Near left edge. Centered. Near left edge.
Hey
y'all, so we're in the car. We're on our way to campus. We're listening to K104 because it's always live, lit, and local. So yeah, on my way to campus. This is the fit, you know, cheese. Oh, you can't see my shoes, but I'm gonna take some first day of school pictures on campus. So, yep. Hey y'all, so I'm with Taylor. Taylor, do you want to be in the video?
No, I'll be
okay. So I'm with Taylor. She's about to walk me to. We're going to the campus store.
Yeah, the bookstore.
Yeah. So we're going to the bookstore so I can get my access codes to all of my stuff, and then, yeah, from there we're gonna probably go sit at accessibility and till my class starts. So. All right, y'all. Just letting y'all know I'm on campus. You gotta let me know when to start, though.
Oh, sorry. I started. You want me to restart?
No. Hey, y'all. So I just left my first class, and Taylor actually stayed with me the whole time. That was very nice of her. So we're on the way to biology. Yeah, speech seems like it's gonna be fun. I'm in class with a whole bunch of young kids. Like, man, they said they was born in 2007, 2004, and I'm like. I'm old. I'm old. So, yeah, it'll be fun, though. And the teacher's really nice. And, yeah, we struggled trying to find the classroom initially. But, you know, we got it done. So, this is the first day of class. And hopefully next week I'll have a backpack. Because this duffel bag ain't giving cute. It's messing up my outfit. I don't like that. But, alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get in biology. Okay, hold on, you guys. Let me put my cane in this hand. Woo! Alright, y'all. So, now we're really finally on our way to biology. We had to stop by accessibility. Anywho, yeah, we stopped by accessibility. And so now we're walking to biology, and it's a really long walk, but yep, we're trekking on. So, Taylor, can you tell the people how it's been? Ooh, I bet that lighting good.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah. Can you tell the people how it's been going to class with me so far?
It's been an adventure, because I just stay in one place. I don't have to get my steps. We get our steps in.
Yeah, we getting our steps in. Whoop, whoop. Gonna be fit.
I almost didn't even
Okay, so we just left biology. We had the lab and the lecture, and it's a good thing I watched the lecture beforehand because, man, do you want to walk, Taylor, or you want to sit here?
Oh, it don't matter to me. You can do what you
How the lighting look? Do I look good?
Oh, that's perfect. The sun right there.
Hey, y'all. Yeah, so I had a good first day. We're about to head back to accessibility because it's a couple of things I still need help with, like, you know, navigation wise, and seeing if my headphones will connect to my computer so I can actually type in class, because girl, I couldn't do nothing. Y'all, I could not do nothing in class today. I just had to record, and y'all know I already said I don't like that. But yeah, that was my day. I had a great day. Thank you to Taylor for helping me to all of my classes, and she's gonna be my scribe. And yeah, we about to head to accessibility to get all these other things worked out. So toodles. Y'all might see me again, y'all might not. If not, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And that will conclude our vlog. But if you see another video after this, please don't click out. Wait to the end, okay? Drop down in the comments and sign into the classroom. Switch off. Okay, you guys, so I'm back home, and I had a very successful first day of school. I stayed like an hour and some change after all of my classes so I could get some help from accessibility to navigate the Brightspace platform and stuff like that. So yeah, I have to go back up there and do some more work with them because, yeah, we still didn't get to accomplish everything. But now Rock is eating some goldfish and Gammy is off duty. So thank you all for going to school with me. We had a good time. We had a great time. So I'll catch y'all later. Professor Blindie out. Toodles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody. Toodles.